Hello, thank you for joining once again for another tutorial. So congratulations, you got your first sale and you're wondering how can you fulfill this order and send it to the customer. It's pretty easy. I will go straight to the information. Basically, we're going to be using this tool called DSERS. This tool basically is going to help you to fulfill the order and to also to import product to your store. So after you connect this tool with your Shopify store, all you have to do is log into it, and then it will appear in the Shopify store that there's an awaiting product waiting for you to fulfill it. All you have to do is just click on it. You can fulfill it through Shopify settings here, or you can also go to AliExpress, find the product, and don't forget to install the this one's Chrome extension to your browser. After you do, you just select the product, the one that the customer has bought, and then you just buy it. Simply using the Chrome extension, you just buy it and ship it to their address, and that's it. This is pretty simple. This is how you fulfill an order to the customer. So yeah, thank you very much for today's tutorial and wish you a very great day.